Hello lovelies, my basic unicorns. Today is step 3 of 10 steps to the most okayish face ever series. Hey, welcome back basic unicorns. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Today is step 3 of 10 steps to the most okayish face ever, the series. Something about saying the series or like having a series makes me really excited. I don't know. Dorky. Today's video, the third step, is all about evening your skin out. So we have built an eye look, we have prepped and primed. Now it is time to get this canvas looking great. Okay, evening out the skin tone. This is just what I do. This is just step 3, even out your skin tone. For this, I am using today Double Wear by Estee Lauder. I've been experimenting with Double Wear Nude and then Double Wear, and they're different formulas. Double Wear Nude is a little more sheer, Double Wear is a little more full. With eczema and stuff, I need a little more full coverage today. But for this, you can choose whatever foundation you have, and then you can choose a beauty sponge, like a beauty blender, a flat kind of paddle brush or foundation brush, something like this. This is the goodie, one of my favorites. Even your fingers, your hands, make sure that they're clean, like always. Get those puppies nice and clean. Let's go. So I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand. Okay, so I'm going to apply this with a beauty blender because I know the beauty blender, I know how it does on my skin with everything. Yeah, it's just good for me. And I'm just dabbing. There's really no trick here. I think that honestly the trick is a good product. I think that the steps that we've done so far to prep and prime are part of the tricks, and then the application, how you apply it, is part of the trick and the method. But you do you. Whatever your preferred method of evening out your skin is, do that. Now I like to take a little bit on my ears because I got that pixie life. I'm bringing it down because I am a little bit broken out down here. So really the evening out the skin tone thing is just taking your time and blending and making sure that you get a very skin-like finish. Not heavy, not super cakey. Build up light layers where you need extra coverage. Don't just try to go in on the first. Don't do the grocery store method. I don't know if you guys do that, but when I get home from the grocery store, I carry all of my bags in. Like, try to get everything in one trip. Don't do that with your foundation. I know that that's the temptation, but build up slowly. Really push it into your skin with your beauty blender or your fingers or whatever you're using. Take your time. Also, if you build up light layers like this, you're going to get a lot more flawless coverage. I've never tried to talk when I'm hitting my throat. You're going to get more flawless coverage and not have to do as much like spot concealing later, which is super nice. You're making your work easier. Make sure you get those nose folds. There we go, lovelies. Even skin. And already look at how much more dramatic my eyes look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this and got something out of it. If you try this or anything, please hashtag me. Be a basic unicorn. Hashtag life with Leah the makeup mama. Get it to me somehow. Messenger pigeon. I don't know. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it and got something out of it. Be sure that you subscribe because there's so much more coming down the pipeline. Make sure that you watch our last video. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you watch me talk about hard things that I've been through. Soulful Storytime Sundays. I think we're going to call it that. Make sure that you watch our trailer. And my family. And all the other things everywhere.